If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Dogecoin video update. And we're looking at Dogecoin looking pretty right now. It's trying to make some convincing patterns that it's going to move even higher. So let's look at it and let's look at what's going on at the moment. So I do actually notice that we've broken out of the blue line, and the first time we broke out of it, it went for the retest, but it wasn't a successful retest. Now at the moment I do see a little bit of a pattern right here on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe the plan for them is to bring Dogecoin a little bit lower to back test 10217 and then continue up to that place, and we could be looking for a trade opportunity of nearly 12% move to the upside. So you did have this little bit of some resistance right there, resistance right here, very clear bullish closing right over there, and you've also been above this blue line right here. So it's a little bit positive, by the way, but I don't like how Dogecoin on the 4 hour time frame is really overbought. I don't really like how this one really is. Now if today this is a clickbait, do you know what bait is? When you go fishing and this is just a bait that, hey, I've actually crossed up here and we're looking to continue higher. I don't know if they're trying to lay the bait by convincing people, because the more you pump it, the better people get convinced that it's going to go up. But sometimes I have to be careful, because when you look at things, the RSI, by the way, you can see that we have a bearish divergence here. So this is low there and a lower low right there. So if anyone knows RSI trading, it's not a secret, and you have high and a higher high right there. So we could be looking for this one to flop big time and continue, maybe start to drop from here, because the RSI, the last time that I told you about the RSI and that it's not a good idea to trade, the RSI still is moving lower. The prices are shooting higher, and that tells me only one thing, that is we are probably looking for Dogecoin to start moving lower once again. So you got to be careful right here. This can even be a double top, by the way. You could actually end up making that double top come down here to 9153. Now let me tell you that scenario, by the way. I'm not gonna buy it. I don't think I was in the mode of buying it, even though I told you that it's gonna break this level. But every day is a different story, because today, the story today is that we have a bearish divergence, and when you have a bearish divergence, you have to pay attention to those divergences. And even though this could be a retest down here, and if you pass the retest, try to move up, you can get lucky and go higher. But I'm not taking any risk, especially when you're overbought like this. I'm still not looking to buy the coin. Yes, there's a little bit of a pump here, but I need more confirmation to get these trades done. So you can see the Bollinger Bands as well. You're at the highest part of the Bollinger Bands. I'm just trying to bring in the Bollinger Bands. You can see it's at the highest band possible. So the RSI is at the highest, the Bollinger Bands is at the highest. It's not a buying area by any mean whatsoever. Now let's go back into the daily, okay? Now we need a confirmation on the daily as well. So today you did made this one big move to the upside, and what do you do here? Could this end up being a move down today? Red candle down to 99. If you do come down and close near 9894 today, then this could be the last pump that you see, and from there that bearish divergence starts to play out and go downside. But I'm on the side of a bearish divergence right now. This is too much overbought, and people are convenient. This looks safe to buy, but to me, the safer it looks, the dangerous it is to me at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this update. No financial advices though, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.